Hi everyone, Mr. Herbert. I'm here. Today I'll be reviewing the Clawdia Wolf Frights camera action doll. So let's check out her accessories. She comes with this piece that looks like a movie script or something like that. It says Monster High. Right there. She also has this tablet, and it has the shape of a tombstone, and it has the Monster High crest on the back and some cracks. She also comes with her black doll brush and with her diary. Now for the doll, she has yellow hair and she has wolf ears, of course. Both of them are pierced, and this one has like this little loop, and the other one has a crossbone. She has these black glasses with this detail on the sides. Her hair is in a ponytail, and it is really curly. She has two curls on the front. Now for her face, she has this red, like brown and almost green or yellow, and some shimmer for her eyeshadow. So she has a lot of makeup. She has yellow eyes and a really big smile with red lipstick. She has this necklace that it's gold and has like this loop right there. She has this red jacket that has some black trimming all over it, and has two button detail, and it has Velcro on the front. Underneath she has this gold dress. It has like moons and some stars right there, as you can see, and it goes down. And finally, for her shoes, she actually has red socks. And finally, for her shoes, she has these golden shoes that has like crossbones on the strap. They're really big heels. It has a lot of like studs all over it. She also comes with this little black bracelet, and she comes with her black dustbin. So yeah, that's my review on the Clawdia Wolf Frights camera action doll. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for a lot of videos coming, and follow me on Instagram, and bye.